presenting the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor. The legendary Ford Ranger pickup truck has a new work-oriented version called the Raptor. Perfect for extreme riders and off-road enthusiasts, the Ranger Raptor is an off-roader with cutting-edge technology, a forgiving suspension, and out-of-the-ordinary manufacturing capabilities. Highly recommended for construction workers who put in long hours and those who enjoy off-roading. A significant improvement in its performance has been observed in the latest version of Ranger Raptor. With its canggih off-road suspension and specially designed damping, the Ranger Raptor 2025 is ready to take on any obstacle. Even with our four-wheel drive, 4WD, technology, there is still traffic and congestion on the road. When it comes to off-road capability, Ranger Raptor is identical to what is known as in the year 2025. The aggressive and high-riding 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor off-roader is a revelation. According to the company, the highly acclaimed 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor will have access to more off-road training. Upcoming classes at Ford's Academy include Ranger Raptor School, Mustang Track Attacks, Bronco Off-Road Across the Country, and F-150 Raptor School. The new semester will begin in June at Socola Performa Ford in Tooele Valley, Utah. Because the program fee is already included in your ticket price, you might want to double-check if you already have a Ranger Raptor 2024. The first model of the Ford Ranger with a plug-in hybrid powertrain is expected to make its appearance at the beginning of 2025, with production likely to commence in the following year. Unfortunately, we are unable to transfer him to AS at this time. In another side, PHEV will still become an exclusive breed for Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. Ford claims that their compact Listrik Ukuran sedan can produce approximately 7,700 pound and has an 8-wheel drivetrain, such as a truck that uses an internal gearbox. Pro Power on board, which is available in plug-in hybrid models, is a feature that is absent from the other variant. So, you can use the Kendaraan as a generator to run various appliances and lights near the house. All of the components necessary for a plug-in Ranger, including the 2.3-liter turbocharged engine, electric motor, and battery pack, are required according to the rules. Ford said that the PHEV version will have a larger trunk than the previous Ranger, but the company was tight-lipped on the details of the electric motor, battery size, and suspension. We predict that the hydraulic lift system will overcome the current world record torsional stiffness of 443 pound-feet of diesel engine V6 3.0 liters. Recent media discussions have been the basis for the topics presented in this video. Here you can also see graphics created using AI techniques. Sharing what we've learned is the driving force behind this video. Our deepest hope is that this film finds a meaningful home for you.